So guys, for the first step, we're going to make two folders on our desktop. You want to right click on show more options, and then click on new, and then click on folder. And we're going to call this folder 32. Click on enter. Now we're going to make another folder. We're going to right click, show more options, new, folder. We're going to make the second folder 64. Click on enter. Now for the second step, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description, and then you want to scroll down until you find both these downloads. We're going to download both the 32-bit and the 64-bit, but we're going to download them one by one and then drag them into the folder because they both have the exact same name. So in case of us getting confused, we're just going to download them one by one. So I'm going to start off with the 32-bit one. You want to right click on open link, a new tab, and then we're going to download this. Your download is going to start happening automatically. Now once it's been downloaded, we're going to head over to search and then type in File Explorer. Click on it. This is going to open up now. We're going to head over to the downloads folder, and now we're going to right click and then hold, and then we're going to drag this into the 32-bit folder, and then click on extract, and then click on extract again, and then we're just going to delete this one. And now we're going to download the 64-bit one. So just head back over to your web browser, and then go back to the other tab, and now we're going to download the one that says architecture 64. You want to download this. Your download will start automatically. Now once it's been downloaded, we're just going to right click, drag, and then drop it into the folder 64, and then click on extract, and then click on extract again. Now we have both of the files in their respective folders. Now for the next step, we're going to click on the 32-bit folder, and then you want to copy the DLL file. So right click, copy, head over to search, type in File Explorer, click on it, and now we're going to click on this PC, and you want to click on the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's most likely going to be on your C drive, Windows, scroll down again, and then click on System 32. And now you want to paste the DLL file in here. So just right click, and then click on paste, and then click on continue. Now for the next step, I'm just going to delete folder 32. Now I want to head over to folder 64. You want to do the same thing. So just copy the 64-bit DLL file, right click on copy. Now once you've copied it, we're going to head over to search again, type in File Explorer, click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on this PC, find the drive where you have Windows installed on. For me, it's on my C drive. Now we're going to click on Windows, and now you want to scroll down until we find syswow64 right here. And now we're going to paste this DLL file into this folder. So just right click, and then click on paste. Continue. Now you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.